Welcome to this presentation on design and analysis of fractional order seismic transducer for displacement and acceleration measurements. This research was conducted by Parthasarathy Veerayan et al. And published in 6th January 2018. Today, we'll explore the key findings and contributions of this important work. Let's begin by understanding the problem this research addresses. Conventional seismic transducers modeled by integer order differential equations inherently present a design trade-off between dynamic measurement range, phase distortion, and damping ratio. This limitation arises because classical mechanics primarily addresses conservative systems, while real-world materials exhibit non-conservative dissipative behaviors. This work's theoretical contribution is to relax the implicit integer order assumption for both inertial and damping forces within the transducer model. By incorporating fractional calculus, the model better captures the intrinsic dissipation and memory effects observed in physical systems, thereby enabling a more flexible and optimized design space. The methodology begins by deriving the fractional order transfer functions for both the fractional order seismic displacement transducer, or FOSDT, and the fractional order seismic acceleration transducer, FOSAT. This involves applying the Grignard-Letnikov derivative to model the seismic mass inertia with order A and the damping force with order B, as shown in equation 12. The analysis then proceeds with frequency response characterization, evaluating magnitude and phase using equations 16 and 17, and time response analysis, which leverages Mittag-Leffler functions in equations 22 and 24 to describe impulse and step responses. The fractional order seismic transducers demonstrate a significant improvement in dynamic measurement range and reduced overshoot compared to conventional designs. For displacement measurement, the FOSDT with a damping ratio Z of 0.1 and fractional orders A of 1.3 and B of 0.65 achieves a dynamic range starting at 11.5 Hz. This represents a 34% improvement over the conventional transducer's 17.5 Hz range at its recommended damping ratio of 0.707, as detailed in Table 1. Similarly, the FOSAT designed with Z of 0.4, A of 1.7, and B of 0.85 extends acceleration measurement to 7.0 Hz, surpassing the conventional transducer's 5.73 Hz range, as shown in Table 2. This lift is directly attributable to the additional design freedom provided by the fractional orders A and B, which allows for multi-objective optimization not possible with integer order models. The fractional order models provide superior performance by effectively decoupling the inherent trade-offs present in conventional integer order designs. For instance, as illustrated in Figure 5, the FOSDT achieves a wider dynamic range with significantly less phase distortion, even at a lower damping ratio of 0.1, which is not feasible for conventional systems without incurring substantial overshoot. This enhanced design freedom, provided by the fractional orders, allows for the optimization of physical parameters. FOSDT designs require a much smaller seismic mass, as shown in Table 3, while FOSAT designs benefit from a softer spring, detailed in Table 4. Furthermore, the analytical models are supported by electrical equivalent circuits, which closely match the predicted frequency responses, as demonstrated in Figure 14 and Figure 16. This work establishes that fractional calculus offers a powerful framework for designing seismic transducers with enhanced frequency and time domain characteristics, overcoming the limitations of conventional integer order models. The theoretical contribution is the demonstration that introducing independent fractional order parameters A and B for inertia and damping significantly increases design freedom, enabling multi-objective optimization for larger measurement ranges with minimal phase distortion at lower damping ratios. While the paper provides a robust theoretical foundation and electrical equivalent models, it notes that the practical implementation of these fractional devices in physical systems remains a subject for future investigation, acknowledging the current challenges in realizing true fractional order components. The electrical equivalent models, for example, rely on 15th order rational approximations, introducing a 2% error in the 0.1 to 1 kHz range.